Now I have a green light on the field. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Match 43's a rolling, and Coral is a fly-in over here on the Red Alliance side, as again it tends to go into the center of the reef instead of onto the post. Now the Blue Alliance has less of such problem, not no of such problem. Bronco Bots getting 2 or 3 pieces of coral scored alongside their alliance partners Robotics there, another 2 or 3 of their own. 55 points on the board so far now as drivers take the controls, and we'll see what this Blue Alliance has in store for us. They've started divvying up the labor over here on the blue side of the field. Robotics with a piece of algae. They'll bring it over to the center barge net. There's 4 points to the Alliance score. It'll be matched on red by the Warren Warbots out of Downey, California, who then race back to the coral station at the wall and almost immediately dunk that for 5 points up on level 4 of the Alliance reef. Now the barge over here on the Red Alliance side with 3 pieces of algae in it thus far. And here comes Quicksilver, currently your #1 ranked team here on the Archimedes division, dropping off yet another one in a valiant effort to try and catch up the score differential between these two alliances, sitting at 34 points. Rookie team over there on blue was stuck on a piece of coral for a little while, and then the defender comes and bumps them off of it. Now they're really trying to lock down the coral station to keep the Robotics out of it. The Robotics ranked 22 right now, and they also want to totally disrupt these cycles of the Bronco Bots ranked #4, because remember, this is #1 seed trying to defend things over here, but this #4 seed putting up an absolutely formidable effort, especially with rapid cycle times on that 1987 machine. Just 2 or 3 seconds between the wall and posting a piece of coral over on the reef at a time. 43 seconds left to go, divide by 3. That is a whole lot of scoring potential. They're gonna run out of reef posts long before they run out of time at this pace. Here's our rookies for blue, back in action. That's the Federal Force out of Brazil. Back to the coral station wall, and they're ready to contribute to this Blue Alliance score as well. Just looking for a traffic lane, frankly. Air traffic control says they're clear for the center and they'll drop it on the trough for 2 points of Alliance score. There's a 3-pointer from Quicksilver right after a 4-pointer from Warren Warbots, and now Warbots under the center barge. They're parked, would be worth 2, but they want more than that. Airborne they'll go. They got to get all those wheels off the ground the whole way to be worth the 12 points for the deep cage climb. Potential for up to 3 robots deems the Blue Alliance will win that one with a final score of 229 points to the Red Alliance's 183. That's a 6 RP match there for that Blue Alliance, which is going to help move the Bronco Bots up from 4th in